Yes, hello guys, welcome back. This is Ian Caster, aka Caster Developer, and in today's video, I just want to quickly show you how you can integrate Postgres in your Laravel project. And this is the new Laravel Trove, the one with React, and I'm really happy that I'm showing you this because it has really been hard for me to integrate Postgres in my project, and when I managed to do that, so I decided to share with you how you can also do that in your application. So as you can see, this is a new application. This is just fresh. I just added in some few components. This is the navbar and this is the hero section. So when we go to the code, okay, so I'm having here the code, and when you try to go here to the resources, it has a lot of files, but you can just come here in the resources, you go to the JS folder, and when you go to pages, you'll find the welcome. This is where I have the navbar and the hero section. So when you go here in the hero section, it's where I have like all the stuff you saw there on the screen. So we are trying to integrate Postgres and we use it as our DB, and there are just a few steps. Of course, by default they are using MySQL or SQLite. So when you come here to the env, it is where you can find everything concerning the connection and all that. So we are going to change a few things here so that we get started. And before, for those who don't have like the PG admin, like it works like the PHP my admin, but for Postgres. So there are a few steps you can take to download it. When you come here, actually you can just say Postgres download, and when you come here to downloads, you see, so we have Linux, Mac OS, and Windows. We shall choose Windows, and we come here to download the installer. So me already installed this, and I recommend version 16 because it's the one which is working very well. I think 17 they are just fixing some stuff, and we are downloading for Windows. So you just come here and click download, and while downloading there are a few steps you need to consider. So I have here this. You see this when you're installing, so you have to really be careful on some steps. Okay, so when you're installing, you will need to uncheck this stack builder, then you click next, and there is some step which involves your password. So you need to note down your password, because after you're done installing, and you will open up the PG admin. While you're opening up, they will ask you that password. So keep it in mind that you need to save your password. And after that, you can just go back here and we see what's next. So the next thing, before we add in this, you need to add in some extensions, and those extensions, they are located in your XAMPP file. So let me just go down here. So if I come here and reveal in folder, okay, of course you can come here, you go into your XAMPP and you go to this PHP folder. The file is called, what is it? It's called php.in. So you can open up this in code, VS Code, and there are some extensions which you need to open up. I think they are down here. Okay, so me already have them, and they are just these two. This one and this one. So I have also others, but I think automatically after you have installed your application, they come when they are already enabled. Okay, so I just want to quickly show them to you so that this doesn't take long. Okay, so you see this Postgres. So I want you to look at these ones because they are the ones you need to integrate your Postgres to work very well. So look at them very well so that you don't forget. Okay, so when we close this and we go back here, so we are trying to use the Postgres. So if we come here, we shall say PG SQL and we shall enable this port. We shall also, when you're installing, they will give you a new port, and this is the 15432. This is mine, and also the names. So I can call this any name. I'm going to call it Postgres, just like that. So you need also a password. Okay, so I'm going to just add mine here, the one which I told you can save, and I'm going to be back. So after adding that, I'm back here, and after doing that, we can try to run the migrations and see if everything is working very well. Just by doing that, adding the extensions and adding the Postgres in your env. Okay, so I'm going to run php artisan migrate. So most people get a lot of errors here, and I've also been getting them. So don't fear the errors. Okay, so they're asking database Laravel does not exist on the Postgres connection. Would you like to create it? So of course, yes. And boom. So this is how you can really integrate your Postgres. So when you just run composer, run dev, I expect everything to be working. Okay, so this is just the way we expected it. If you go back here, sorry, not there. If you go back here to our app, okay, you see everything is really working very well. And when we try to log in, of course, I don't have, this is a new one, and you try to add in like admin. So password is let us confirm. All right, so let us try to create. This is boom, you see. So thank you guys, and I'll link like in the description everything you need to really get started with this, because we have a documentation on this site where those who want to learn anything concerning Laravel, Next.js, and this is our own web application which we built for you guys who really want to change your life in everything, because it's a marketplace where you can come and get like templates. You can see we have a number of them, and it also has like the courses, it has the components, it has the blogs, and this is where you can see everything you need. For example, the one which we are going through this side, the Postgres, it is in this blog where they are showing you how you can create a new Laravel application, and they are showing you how you can integrate in a number of database. You can see we have like the using MySQL, and using Postgres. So thank you guys. I'm going to link this in the description so that you can check it out. And for those who haven't really checked out this sub is our own, where you can go and really change your life. For those who want to become developers, for those who want to become full stack developers, mobile app developers, and for those who want to grab courses, we have a number of them. Okay, you can see the advanced one, the modern. Okay, so I would like to end here, and thank you guys, and goodbye.